Imagine a yacht so expensive it could buy you a small island. Now double that price, you're getting closer to the reality of the world's most expensive super yacht. This isn't just a mode of transportation, it's a statement, it's a symbol of unimaginable wealth and exclusivity. The world of luxury yachts is a fascinating one. It's a world where billionaires and celebrities gather. They seek the ultimate escape from the ordinary. In this elite realm, one yacht reigns supreme. It stands as a testament to human ingenuity and the allure of extravagance. This vessel is more than just a boat. It's a floating palace, a masterpiece of engineering and design. It pushes the boundaries of what's possible in the world of luxury. Its very existence speaks volumes about the ever-evolving landscape of wealth and opulence. Owning a super yacht is not without its challenges. The cost is astronomical, yes, but the real challenge lies in the upkeep. Maintaining a vessel of this magnitude requires a small army of staff. Specialized engineers, meticulous cleaners, and attentive crew members are essential. Then there's the issue of privacy. When you own something so extraordinary, it attracts attention. The very nature of a super yacht, designed to be seen and admired, clashes with the desire for seclusion. Owners face the constant challenge of balancing their desire for privacy with the public's fascination. Security is another paramount concern. Protecting a valuable asset like this requires constant vigilance and sophisticated security measures. From advanced surveillance systems to a highly trained security team, no detail is overlooked in ensuring the safety of the yacht and its passengers. The true allure of this super yacht lies in its intricate design and cutting-edge technology. Every inch of this floating mansion has been meticulously crafted. It exudes luxury and sophistication. From the rare and exotic materials used in its construction to the state-of-the-art amenities, no expense has been spared. Imagine stepping aboard and being greeted by expansive decks made of the finest teakwood. Picture yourself relaxing in a jacuzzi overlooking the endless horizon. The interior is a marvel of modern design. It features floor-to-ceiling windows, custom-made furniture, and a private cinema. But the true marvel lies beneath the surface. The yacht is equipped with a hybrid propulsion system for fuel efficiency and reduced emissions. A sophisticated stabilization system ensures a smooth ride even in rough seas. It's a testament to the power of technology to enhance even the most luxurious experiences. So, what is the price of this floating paradise? While the exact figure remains a closely guarded secret, it is estimated to be in the billions, making it the most expensive super yacht ever built. But its significance extends beyond its price tag. This yacht represents the pinnacle of luxury and innovation in the maritime world. It sets a new standard for extravagance and exclusivity, pushing the boundaries of what's possible. It sparks imaginations and fuels dreams. What does this mean for the future of super yachts? Will we see even bigger, more opulent vessels? One thing is certain, the desire for luxury and exclusivity shows no signs of waning. And as long as that desire exists, the world of super yachts will continue to captivate and amaze us. What are your thoughts on this floating palace? Share your opinions and let's dive deeper into the world of ultimate luxury.